So these are the extra questions for you to study for your exam, and I've added something new, and I'm so excited to tell you about it. So we have the typical practice questions, and we also have two actual new codes, one for mixed theorists and also for popular NCE and CPC questions that I've seen from my students who've taken their exam and what they remember seeing that was important to know to study. So the practice questions are the ones you would just take to see where you are and gauge where you might areas you might need to work on. Then you have the mixed theorist. The mixed theorist is the one that I put together as well of important theories to know, just to gauge your idea of what their theory is. So, for example, you have Eric Erickson. He is a psychoanalyst. He talks about the psychosocial stages of development, and it's different from Sigmund Freud because Eric Erickson looked at the social interactions, whereas Sigmund Freud looks at the unconscious repressed memories and childhood experience that drive cognitive development and decision making. So these concepts are good to know the difference between each theorist, and so that's why I put together these mixed theorists and the actual name of their theory and how they explain their theory to others. And I hope this really helps you. Let me know if there's theories on here that you want me to add, and I'll surely add them. Leave a comment in the comment section or send me an email at genevatutoringprep@gmail.com.